In this video, you will learn how to create a calculator with artifacts in Claude using artificial intelligence to generate and edit the project. First, open Claude on your computer and sign into your account. Then, start a new conversation and ask Claude to create a calculator using artifacts. For example, you can write, "Create a simple calculator with buttons for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division." Claude will generate the artifact and create the structure and code needed for the calculator. When the artifact is ready, you can test the calculator directly in Claude. If you want to change something, send another instruction, explaining exactly what you want to modify. For example, you can ask Claude to add decimal numbers, a clear button, percentage calculations, or other features. You can also ask Claude to change the design, colors, buttons, fonts, or layout of the calculator. After each change, test the calculator again to make sure all functions are working correctly. If you find an error, describe the problem to Claude and ask it to correct the artifact. When the calculator is complete, you can use the available artifact options to continue editing or share your project. This way, you can use artifacts in Claude to create a functional calculator simply by describing what you want.